Let's break this 1.3 billion naira story into small pieces. What actually happened? The story in 4 sentences. 1. In the 2026 budget, there is 1.3 billion naira for something called Presidential Foreign Intervention Promotion Council. 2. Chief of Staff Gbajabiamila came out and said that office does not exist. No appointment was made. 3. Presidency said the man claiming to be DG, Prince Adeyemi, is an impostor. 4. BudgIT and others are now asking, if it does not exist, how did 1.3 billion naira enter the budget? Here's the bottom line. Money is in the book, but government says the agency is fake. Looking at the second part of this, the three main people involved, President Tinubu, the president, every budget must get his signature to become law. The second person, Femi Gbajabiamila, Chief of Staff, he is the gatekeeper. Papers go to him before they reach the president. He denied knowing the DG and denied collecting 400 million naira. Number 3, Prince Adeyemi, the man who called himself DG. He alleged he paid money for the job. Government says he is a fraudster. The big questions everybody is asking. Question 1. How did it enter the budget? A budget does not just appear. It passes through Ministry of Budget, National Assembly, then President. So who put it there? Question number 2. If it is fake, why did it get office and CBN accounts? BudgIT said that agency allegedly had office in Federal Secretariat and CBN accounts. How? Question number 3. Who is responsible? Is it the COS, Ministry of Budget, National Assembly? Nobody has answered yet. What each side is saying, the government side, that agency does not exist. The man is an impostor. We did not appoint him. Civil society side, BudgIT, SERAP, investigate this. How can a fake agency get 1.3 billion naira in budget? This shows problem in our budget process. What does the opposition, the public, say? Some say sack Gbajabiamila. Others say this is just one small case. Bigger money issues are there. What we know versus what we don't know. Here is what is confirmed. 1. 1.3 billion naira was put in 2026 budget for PFIPC. 2. Gbajabiamila denied the appointment. 3. Presidency called the claimant an impostor. Unverified allegation. 1. That Gbajabiamila collected 400 million naira. Presidency denied it. 2. That 8.8 trillion is moving off budget and 210 trillion at NNPCL is missing. No official report shown yet. Here is the rule. Until court or audit report comes out, we call it allegation. The real lesson. This is not just about 1.3 billion naira. Lesson 1. If one ghost agency can enter budget, how many others are there? Lesson 2. When government and budget says different things, trust goes down. Lesson 3. Nigerians are now asking for receipts. Show us documents. When the roof is leaking, you don't blame the rain. You check the roof. Final questions for you. Do you think we should A. chase and sack one person, B. or fix the whole budget process so this cannot happen again? Drop 1 or 2 in the comments. Let's talk respectively.